Well, we're very excited to announce the completion of our renovations. So we started the Aruba Surf Club, which was renovated 300 units, multi-million projects, mostly local companies which helped us with that, and we're very grateful for their support. So that is completed. It was completed on Friday. This week we completed the Aruba Ocean Club, the new pool. We're still working on the Mandara Spa, but also we completed the facade project, completely new. The resort looks almost brand new. The Ocean Club has 311 vacation ownership units. And then now in the Aruba Resort, the Marriott Stellaris, where we renovated 414 guest rooms, completely new. Everything is new, bathrooms, case goods, everything brand new. So we're very excited to have completed this just before high season, so all our guests can enjoy our beautiful resorts and admire the new product. Well, I think, for me, I'd say it's logistically to ensure that all the containers were here before we started the project in this resort. In the surf club, the containers arrived during the project, so that was challenging to navigate through that and making sure everything was here. Also in terms of the labor, there's a lot of projects on Aruba happening at the same time, so we work with locals, and of course there was at one stage we had a bit of a shortage of people, but that was quickly fixed, and we finished the project before high season. Well, I think with this new project, of course, we have to think the new rooms product. We have a lot of new hotels in Aruba, new resorts, and of course, we want to continue competing. I think as a destination, we're increasing the products in Aruba to a more luxury destination, and I think that's what we all want and what the island is aiming for. And with this product, we can definitely serve the tourists. Well, I want to thank our associates, which have been with us during this challenging time. It's keeping the resorts open whilst renovating is not always the easiest, so our associates have done a terrific job in keeping our guests happy. And also I want to thank all the local companies which have supported us during this project. A lot of talented individuals which worked here and made this happen. So thank you, Masha Pabien, thank you for celebrating with us now.